Okay. Audio should be working right now. I just recorded a whole video and it did not record my audio. But here we go. This is gonna be take two for y'all. What is going on? Gonna be doing a little trade recap for today on the laptop right now. I'm not currently at the desk set up, but we still got things done today. Um, Ended up taking one dub. Um, I say dub. I got stopped, not at break even, but I got stopped out in profit in the trade. So, anyways, I'm gonna kind of go through what I was thinking coming in today and some thoughts behind the trade I took. So, first things first, on the higher time frame, what I was kind of looking for coming into today, after we sold off a decent bit yesterday, and then got a pretty much spot on retrace back into this 4 hour gap and equilibrium of the range we created yesterday and rejected off that to move lower. I was pretty bearish coming in today, but as always, I'm pretty much loose bias. I never really marry a bias at all. I'll be open to trade either way, depending on what the market's showing me. But I wanted to see this previous day low become the draw, and in right kind of market open, we were pushing towards it. We ended up taking this internal low pre-market. I also said I was going to watch this to see if we wanted to reverse off of this, maybe go higher. I was also looking to potentially take a short if we got to move back up higher into some kind of PD array, which we actually did. So there's a 5 minute gap right here that we tapped back into. We didn't have an SMT and we didn't have an inverse value gap. If we had either one of those, I probably would have taken short to the previous day low just because of how like strong a draw was, and we got this good displacement just straight off. But anyways, not the trade I ended up taking. So yeah, I wanted to be bearish, but after we did that, we had created SMT with ES as well at this low and the previous day low. ES was like not anywhere close to them. So after we got this move, we started to we had this 1 minute for value gap right here. I was like, oh well, I might take a long there if we get a clean inverse on it and a nice just V shape reversal right off of that, and just target this like 1-to-1 kind of trade right here, which is actually the trade I ended up taking today, y'all. Really clean setup, followed exactly like the model I trade, and yeah, good confluence. I waited. It's pretty quick and open, but anyway, I acted on it, which is very good. So actually, so when I said earlier, I ended up getting stopped in profit, which is I did. So original TP was just these two like equal highs right here, which I probably should have gone for, but it really wasn't. I entered in with like 5 cons, and to that full TP was like $300 or something like that. So it's really not. This would be like a very small like base hit kind of day, which is fine. Um, those are always great. But as we continue to just keep ripping and displacing higher, bro, like ES was ripping up too. I was like, okay, look how much low resistance liquidity we have built up over here. Like we could potentially run like all the way back up to this London high, this midnight open. Like there's so much just resting above, and there still is. So after seeing that, I was like, oh, okay, well, I'm gonna move my take profit to this next swing high right here, which is what I did, and we literally missed it by like 2 ticks, bro, which is literally completely my fault. Like, oh well, I got stopped in profit, like I said. After that, we got this big ass candle, like news candle, bro. Straight down to stop me out. I had to stop right around here, I want to say. It was just below this for value gap. So, but still, I'm still up about $190 or something. So, still like a little tiny base hit. I don't know. Either way, it wasn't a loss, and it was actually a win if we're talking about following like rules, sticking to a system, and like looking for the singular trade that I know I take my model. Did that very well. This was a absolute beautiful trade setup. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Literally didn't go like a tick and a drawdown pretty much. Well, it went a tiny bit, but either way, solid trade. Did good. That's pretty much all from me. If I take any other trades the rest of the week, yeah, you'll see me later. So yeah, that is all.